Hello everyone, my name is Carlos here with South Bay Hyundai, and today we're going to go over the cargo net and how to install it on your 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Alright, so there's two different positions that you could use the cargo net for. First one I'm going to show you is the one, this one goes up here, this one down here with the hooks. Same for the other side. Right here, hook down here, and boom. Okay, so the benefit for this position is in case you have any valuables that you don't want rolling around, right? You could always open this one up. You have all this space right here. Just put something in there and you're not gonna have to worry about it rolling around in the bag or, you know, hitting the side. And then we also got the small pocket right here, just in case you wanna stash a few things. Okay, so for the second position, all we have to do is remove the top ones on both sides. You spread it out and you're gonna have another set of hooks. Now you're just gonna go back here and hook it on back there. Same thing this way. Nice and tight. So the benefit of this position is, let's say you have something, you know, it's pretty big. This is gonna be able to hold it down. It's gonna put a little pressure on it, so it's gonna keep it sturdy. You're not gonna have to worry about it, again, rolling around, hitting around. You know, it's gonna keep it perfectly still. All right, guys, that was it for the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop them down and we'll get back to you.